Hello, my name is Parker Jones, and this is the Contoso University app or the site. So this is just a little overview of what I've done. If I go to courses, you can see all the courses. I can create a new one. Whoa. Credits for Department 10. Cool. 3, 8. Okay, and you'll see that that's been added there. I can look at the details of any of them and all that fun stuff. So unfortunately, at the very last step with the inheritance, um, I did everything exactly the way that the tutorial said, but now everything's working fine. But then now, once I did all that, if I try to go to students, it tells me that it's not available, instructors not available, and departments not available. So it was all good to go. Everything was there from what we've added throughout the whole tutorial, and then the very last inheritance step. I did everything exactly the way that it said, um, but apparently not. So if you'll see my code in the GitHub repository, if you can find what's making that happen, that would be awesome. But this is where it's at right now. Thanks.